In with the good, out with the bad. And when you're driving around in your Subaru, the cabin air filter does just that. It separates the good from the bad. When air comes in through the heating, cooling, and ventilation system, the filter works to remove things like pollutants and allergens from the air that you breathe. You might not even know it, but it's behind your glove box. Over time, the filter gets clogged with trapped contaminants, which restricts airflow. So a new filter is required. The certified factory-trained technicians of our service team will be happy to take a look and replace your filter if needed. Subaru recommends using a genuine Subaru cabin air filter. And remember, if you drive on dusty roads or in smoggy areas, your filter may need to be replaced more often. So take in all the good you can, however you get a breath of fresh air. We're here to help. Make it last.